Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a beast, NVIDIA's RTX 5090. This next-gen GPU has been making headlines everywhere, but is it really worth the hype? In this video, we'll break down how the RTX 5090 is helpful, what benefits it brings to the table, and yes, we'll also talk about the downsides. So, make sure to hit that like button and let's get into it. Alright, first things first. The RTX 5090 is part of NVIDIA's new 50 series lineup, based on the Blackwell architecture, which is the successor to Ada Lovelace. This card is built on the most advanced 3nm process and comes with massive improvements in performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. NVIDIA's clearly gone all out to future-proof this card, but let's talk about what that means for you as a gamer, creator, or AI enthusiast. If you're a gamer, this card is your dream. The RTX 5090 crushes 4K gaming and even flirts with 8K resolution. Titles like Cyberpunk 27, Starfield, or Alan Wake 2 run buttery smooth with full ray tracing on. With DLS 4.0, frame generation is even better, making lower frame rates a thing of the past. For content creators and 3D artists, the RTX 5090 cuts rendering times drastically. Blender, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, everything benefits from those extra CUDA and tensor cores. If you're into video editing or 3D animation, this GPU is more than just a flex, it's a serious productivity tool. Here's where things get futuristic. The 5090 is a powerhouse for local AI workloads, from running large language models like Llama or Code LLMs to stable diffusion for image generation. Everything is faster, no cloud needed. Your PC becomes your own personal AI lab. Let's be real, GPUs are expensive. But with the 5090, you're buying into performance that will stay relevant for years. Whether it's new games, VR, AI applications, or software tools, this GPU won't feel outdated anytime soon. This GPU is power hungry. We're talking 500 to 600 watts or more, depending on overclocking. You'll need a high-end PSU, great airflow, and maybe even liquid cooling. It's not plug and play unless your rig is already built to handle it. If you're a casual gamer or a 1080p and 1440p user, the 5090 might be overkill. You probably won't see a huge improvement over something like the 4080 Super or even a 4070 Ti in real-world use. This GPU is massive. Triple slot design, long form factor. It may not fit in standard ATX cases. You might even need a new case just to house it. So, is the RTX 5090 worth it? Yes, if you're a high-end gamer, professional creator, or someone who wants the absolute best for AI workloads. No. If you're on a budget, game casually, or don't need that kind of horsepower, let me know in the comments. Would you buy the RTX 5090, or are you waiting for the 5080 or something more affordable? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on future tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.